So with these canopies here, sometimes they fall apart. They just kind of fall apart in the windy days, windy weather. And also the sun just takes a toll on them. So we've gone out and I purchased this off Amazon. It's a replacement. It came in this bag, no box or anything. Well, it was shipped in the box, but basically it came like this. And that's basically it. Let's put it up on my 10x10 pole here, and we'll see how it looks. The assembly of this canopy is pretty much the same as other canopies, that replacement canopies I bought before. Just simple hollow Velcro strap that goes around. So wrap it up here. Backwards, there, like that. And it actually was quite easy to set up. Just need a little step ladder to get yourself a few feet up. Has a vent up here with Velcro around the edges. For the price, hopefully it'll last. That's the one hope. So look at the comments within the next, after this season, we'll see how long this thing is. The technique I just do is I sort of just bunch them up and then just strap over the Velcro like that, tuck that in and just pull it over. And what I've found is the fabric will rip before the Velcro comes loose in time. So the end result, the 10'X10'Gazebo top looks really well. I mean, I'm very pleased with it. For the price we paid, the fabric seems to be quite durable. So we're hoping that, of course, you want to take it down if you're going to have really heavy duty winds, but definitely like throughout summertime when there's not a whole lot of windy days, you're going to have some nice weather. It's alright. You have some wind, but it seems to be withstanding the wind, which is one thing that will be a major concern when putting up one of these tents.